Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Sabah Fashion. Please like my channel, subscribe, share with family and friends, and press the bell icon. Hope you are all well and well. Today we will talk about a very beautiful topic, that is hair crimping. The fashion of crimping is very much in trend. Crimping has come back fashion as some people have naturally crimped hair. Some people curl their hairs artificial way. Crimping looks very beautiful on some people and very attractive. It looks so cute on a small face. Crimping and give it a very elegant look is back in fashion. In this video I am sharing with you many crimping styles and many ways in which she looks very beautiful. Crimped gives your face a cute new look that your personality hence it has shared many ideas with you in this video. Hope you like this video and support me by liking my channel.